is my morning hike and into our secret garden. Welcome. So there's chickens over here in the back, and it's become my daily ritual to go check on them. Whoa, there's a giant praying mantis right there. That is not a grasshopper. Grasshoppers are green. All right, don't get too close to it. We're gonna name them after spices. I call them the Spice Girls, but they're actually gonna be named after real spices. Like, I don't know yet, but check on my IG stories when I decide tomorrow. If you guys are wondering about the coop and the garden, it came with the house. I did not do this myself. I'm learning right now, so yeah, hope you guys continue following this journey. So there's 2 dummy eggs in there, so they would know where to lay their eggs. But we got quite a bit today. So we need 4 eggs for this recipe. I got 5. I'll make something else with it later, but this is perfect. So let's go back to the kitchen. Come on.
I can judge a good cook by the way he cooks eggs.
Yeah? Tell me how to find a good boyfriend. What's the good judge there?
Look my pants, Selena. Can you eggs?
So this is the episode that we're gonna be following Selena Chef with Chef Ludo. He's making his famous omelette. And I actually went on his IG stories because they have one that he did live. So basically what he has is 4 eggs that he'll whip up first. I can't really follow along because there's like licensing issues, but here, right here, he has this video. The really intense part is when he starts cooking. So once he starts cooking that, I will show, but we can break eggs, right? Okay, so 4 eggs. Ooh, this one is still semi-warm. Am I supposed to wash the eggs after I get them from the chickens? I feel like it should be yes, but you guys let me know. Certain eggs here are bigger than the others, and I'm not getting like the super orangey yolks that I've heard chickens that you raise have. So if there's a way for me to get the yolks orangey, you guys also let me know in the description box below, or comment section below, sorry. Okay, now we just mix. Oh, he's doing that too. Now we are real time. He's still going at it. I'm gonna go as long as he does because this is live. This is a workout. This is a long time of whisking eggs. Okay, so it has to be, okay, cool. So we're gonna use this stove today. You guys, I usually have a cooktop in front of me, so let me know in the comment section if you prefer it in front of me or if you like going back there. The only problem is when we have like those tops down, it's a little more challenging over there, so we'll see. We're still trying to figure this kitchen out. Okay, so 1 tablespoon of butter on really, really low heat. So I have it on the smallest, ooh, that was not smart. And a flat spatula like his. So he's saying that the butter should just melt super duper slowly. And I would say it's melting super duper slow because usually I would have it on full blast to melt it quickly, but yeah. But this is how you make a French omelette. Okay, swirl it. It should be a little sizzling. I think mine actually needs to be a little higher. I think it's okay. So no milk or water, just the eggs. Okay, let's get up one more time. Okay, ready? You're not supposed to hear any sizzling. So he takes it on and off heat, swirl it. Ooh, you see a little bit of curdling, which is good, and just keep cooking it like this. So right now we're making scrambled eggs. Mine looks a lot more loose than his, but he also said that his heat was on too high, so he keeps taking it on and off. Just do scrambled eggs, just do scrambled eggs. If you guys have seen this Selena Chef on HBO, it's so funny because he's like yelling at her the whole time. Not yelling, but he's like, Selena. It was so funny. I really enjoyed that episode. It really inspired me to make this because it just seemed like, it seemed hard, but it seemed easy. You know what I mean? Like, it's very technique driven and it seems achievable. This process takes a really long time. I think my thing is getting too hot. Okay, I'm gonna take it off. Look, his is like very creamy. Mine is kind of curdly. His looks so smooth. Okay, I'm taking it off heat to make it like nice and smooth like his, but he said make scrambled eggs. Don't be scared to remove the eggs and to make it creamy like this, okay? I feel like mine is really curdly. Oh no, man. Okay, it starts to look very creamy, except mine is starting to cook from like the outside in. This isn't really working. His is an electric stove, mine is a gas stove. Oh no, that one totally cooked. You get an arm workout for sure. I can see why Selena had, okay, look, look, look. It's starting to look like his. Trying to turn the heat back on, but when does it look right, guy? This takes forever to come together. This is a lot of effort for an omelet. Better be good. Oh, he's adding his cheese. Pause. So I think it looks like his right before he puts in the cheese. So the cheese he's using and he recommends is Boursin cheese. That one right there. Basically, he said it's like French Velveeta, but it's creamy, garlicky, herby, and this stuff is so yummy. I love it. Okay, he adds it right over here. Now he starts to fold. He rinsed his spatula so it's clean. Okay, let me do that. Okay, roll it. Mine is falling apart. Okay, it's not cooked enough on the bottom. So we're gonna let it hang out for another couple minutes. Oh, okay, the heat was on when he was letting it sit while he was adding the cheese. I didn't do that. Okay, wait. This is a big omelet. Maybe this is how you gotta do that omurice. Oh no, I'm supposed to have a trifold. I'm gonna cheat and get another spatula. Use my tummy to hold this still. Ready, go. Ugh, shoot. Eggs are so hard for me to cook, you guys. I don't know why. I mean, it should be like the easiest thing, but it's quite challenging for me. Okay, and then he holds it there for a little bit for it to continue cooking. Looks like a pretty substantial omelet. Okay, so he brought it over and he just slides it on. Mine looks more like a burrito and his looks like a crepe. And you don't see his seam, but you see mine. Okay, slide it on. So far, so good. Ooh, the cheese is oozing out. Okay, I do have to say the one that he did with Selena, they cheated a little bit and they use a towel like this. They get it wet and then they shape it like this. Okay, I can do that too. This is the trick. Reshape it. Restaurant trick. I mean, we have to achieve perfection because it's Selena Gomez. Ugh, and then he takes butter, brushes it on top to make it nice and shiny. Ooh, does that look good or what, you guys? Finally, hit it with some chives. And there is our French omelette, Selena and Chef Ludo style. I'm gonna break this open to see how creamy and delicious it is. It's so soft and buttery. Wow. Whoa, it's total omurice style. I'm just gonna cut this open to see if it'll fall apart like the omurice, just for fun, because that was the last egg challenge I did, and I really wanna know if this is the way you have to do it. French techniques, like they rule all cooking. I think this is it. I mean, minus the cheese, but the way that it fell apart and like it's so wet and creamy inside, I almost feel like I have to try that video again. But anyways, let's try the egg here with the Boursin cheese. That is the creamiest egg I've ever had, and the Boursin cheese just adds that garlicky, salty, creamy flavor. Holy tamale, I've always wanted to try his omelette because it's like famous down here in LA, but it's a bit far from us and we just haven't really had the chance to. But I am so glad we were able to make this at home thanks to Selena and Chef Ludo for the inspiration. I hope you guys enjoyed the first video in our new kitchen. Tomorrow, or the next video, will be a recipe from my cookbook, which comes out on September 22nd. And I am so thrilled to show you more of what's inside. If you guys are interested in looking to see more information about the book, check in the link in the description box below. If you guys like this video, be sure to hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye!